Hello, Math 12 students. I wanted to give you a little introduction to Canvas in case you're new to it. On the Sierra College webpage, sierracollege.edu, in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see the word Canvas. So you click on Canvas, then use the same username and password that you use for your email or your MySierra account. They're all the same. So username and password, and then log in. And then the first page that you'll come to is a page with all of your classes on it, whether or not your instructors are using Canvas. So you could ask them to use Canvas if they aren't, and it can be really helpful to you if everybody is using it. So my courses, I have Math 12. So again, here's Spring 16 class, Math 12, and then this CRN, the Sierra College course identifier 41642. So that's your class. So I click on it, and this is the home page in Canvas for your class. So there's one announcement so far where I just welcomed you to the class, so you can click on it and read that. And then I wanted to show you the buttons across the top here. These are called the breadcrumbs, so you can get back to the home page by clicking on the course number or by clicking on the home button over here on the left. So you can see announcements. Here's the announcements page. And then there's a people button. And the people button's pretty cool. These are all the people in your class. So you can already see the names of all the people in your class. And some people have put their pictures here, so you can even see what the people look like. Some people put their dog or their car, so that's not as helpful. But if they do put their picture, it's kind of cool that you can see your classmates here, and then you can click on the person's name and send them a message. So even if you're not sure of people's names, you can click on a bunch of people's names and say, hey, I'm going to be in the math center on Tuesday at 11. Who wants to come study with me? So it's a pretty cool feature, this people feature here. And then there's the files button. And you'll see I use the files like a file cabinet where here's different folders that have information that you'll find helpful. So the course documents are here, the syllabus and the MyMathLab handout and all the things that I would have done in paper in the old days, I put here in Canvas with links. So that's the files area where all the papers will be. If I give you a take-home quiz, I post it here. Here are the textbook homework assignments that you will be bringing to class to show me. So that's all in this files area. Then the chat feature is kind of cool. If I'm here and I'm in chat and you're on Canvas, we can chat. It's like an instant message system inside of Canvas. So you can also chat with your classmates. Then I will be using the attendance feature in Canvas. So what I can see is everybody that's in the class, and each class meeting day I will be taking attendance, and what I can see here when I click more is how many days have you been there, how many days have you been late or absent, and that's really useful for me to just keep track of you because I worry when people aren't there. So please plan on attending every class as much as possible. Otherwise you'll get really worried emails from me. Then the starfish button is just for the instructor, so you won't see that. But a really cool button now is tutor.com online tutoring right here inside of Canvas. So your account will say you have 2 hours remaining. As an instructor, I have more time so I can experiment with the software and see how it works and how useful it is. If Spanish is your first language, you can choose Spanish and have a tutor that works with you in Spanish if that's helpful. There's apps for the iPad, iPhone, Android, so you can get the tutor.com app if you like. And there's other useful study resources here, worksheets and lessons and other things that you might find useful. So that's going to be available starting on Monday, and it's here through the Canvas, and hopefully you'll find Canvas useful. I won't be using the grades feature. All of your grades will be in MyMathLab, but it will have all the documents that you might be looking for the class, and also the chat and people features I'm hoping you'll find helpful. So make good use of Canvas, and hopefully you'll find it really easy to use.